नमस्कार. पळया प्रुडंट खबरो. 54% लोकांक जाय सरकार बदल. काणकोणा कुठ्ठाळे बीजेपीक उमेदवार बदलूंक शिनाल. बाणावले चर्चिलाक लागून चेंज. कुंकळे आप दिवचले मोगोचो सावळ. प्रुडंट प्री पोल सर्वे. इंडियन सिटीजन पासपोर्ट आशिल्ल्यांकूच वोटिंगाचो हक्क. इलेक्शन कमिशनान केलें स्पष्ट. सुत्रां म्हणटात 22 डिसेंबर मेरेन घोषणा. इलेक्शन 19 ते 25 फेब्रुवारी मजगती शक्य. मडगांव फोंडेचे वादग्रस्त ओपीडी वेल्यान एसजीपीडीएत तणाव. आमदार जाळवणदारांक घेनासतना ओडीपी पास करपाचो यत्न. एक्टिव्हिस्टांचो जमाव. पुलीस फोर्स. मीटिंग जालीच ना. हायवेक तेकून आशिल्ले लिकर शॉप आनी बार्रां बंद. सुप्रीम कोर्टाची केंद्र आनी राज्यांक 1 एप्रिलाची डेडलायन. लिकराच्यो जायराती काडच्यो पडटल्यो. लायसनां रिन्यूवूय जावची ना. सेव्हन्थ पे खातीर गोवा एज्युकेशन बोर्डाच्या स्टाफाची बेमुजत संपाची शिटकावणी. सरकाराक 27 डिसेंबर मेरेन प्रास. सरकारान 7th पे लायला फक्त सरकारी कर्मचाऱ्यांक. प्रधानमंत्र्याचे स्वच्छ भारत पेलवना. टुरिझम मिनिस्टर पुरवळ्याकारान देंवचो. बिचांचेर कोयराच्यो राशी. खात्याची व्यवस्थाच ना. दर्या देगवेल्या आमदारांनी आवाज काडचो. मायकल उलयलो. साळगावचे 34 लाखांचे तथाकथित लुटीत. साळगावच्या पुलिसांची चौकशी. पुलिसांनी हात मारला म्हूण डीआयजीक दुबाव. 48 वरां जालीं पुलिसांक कॅश मेळना. लुटपी मेळनात. प्रुडंटाचो प्री पोल सर्वे. 54% वोटरांक 2017 सरकार बदलिल्ले जाय. उरिल्ले 46% बीजेपीचेर सातिस्फेत. काणकोण आनी कुठ्ठाळे लोकांक बीजेपी जाय, मात तवडकार आनी अलिना नाका. बाणावले चर्चिलाची एंट्री कायतूक बादता. कुंकळे आपाच्या एल्विसाक चड चान्स. दाबोळे माविन, कुमारजुव्या मडकयकार दोगूय सेफ. पळयात प्रुडंटाचो प्री पोल सर्वे.
And 54% people say yes, there should be change in the present government, and 46% say no, there should not be change in the present government.
In my opinion, it is possibly that a lot of people have given the benefit of doubt with regards to demonetization to the BJP, and that is why you are finding that the amount of people who wanted a change in government from last time to this time has come down.
The disagreement is that your 54, according to my survey and our collective survey,
Okay,
could be and should be 94.
94.
Their performance in this election would be pathetic, which I can say.
What you are saying is right, that it needs a change, and change it is breaking away from the traditional politics that has been played in Goa. So the change is up.
राष्ट्रवादी गोमंतक पक्ष सध्या 54 भितर पडटा. तुमचे मतदार और तुमचे वोटर काय 46 भितर पडटात.
आमचे
काय
मतदार
तुम्ही सारखी ह्या मधली रेषेचेर बी आसा.
आम्ही मधल्या रेषेतच असं अशा म्हणूयात.
हा, तुम्ही मधली रेषेचेरच आसा अशें म्हणटात. ओके,
We will have minimum 21 MLAs in the next government of the BJP. That is the assurance I can give you right here.
And if this keeps on dropping, it means BJP stands to gain
ओके.
quite a lot.
संजय बाबा.
पॉलिटिक्साचे फुडें जरी वाढत गेले तरी फ्रॅगमेंटेशन हो पार्ट आसाच आसा. आनी हो बीजेपीनय गृहीत धरला अशें म्हाका दिसता. कारण दे आर नॉट ब्रेकिंग अलायन्स विथ एमजीपी.
टिल नाव.
तांणी म्हटल्यार दारा बंदल तरी जनेलां ओपन आसा अजून.
ओके. आणि बाणावली, इट्स अ व्हेरी व्हेरी बॅड न्यूज फॉर कायतू. Approval rating is 25%.
Churchill plus what is NCP, I think he's got a huge head start over all the opposition.
All the opponents.
We started our campaign in Benaulim. So Benaulim is a fertile ground today for AAP. And I disagree with that individual concept, Ami Muntani, on face or this is also something that I'm not ready to accept.
That 25% approval is sufficient.
Still you are saying to enter appeal if there is too much fragmentation of the vote. And approval rating of Naresh Sawal is 67%. Ground zero says that Sawal can win as MGP in his constituency.
But my thing is that the moment the candidate is declared there, that rating of 67% will go to 30%.
30%.
Very strong.
So you are saying Naresh Sawalachi vote bank plus MGP chi vote bank is a winning combination. Is a winning combination. And you are very clear that Naresh Sawal is your candidate now. The approval rating of Michael is very high. 92%.
Sample says very clearly that they are going to be with Michael Lobo as an individual, not even as a party.
Kalangur, it has been a Congress constituency. Last time there was a little aberration. It is a Congress constituency. Come with me on the field.
Neville has pointed out that without BJP also, he has got his individual capacity that they are vote for Michael. So that shows that the people are with Michael along with
I
BJP.
think the approval rating of a minister is 44%. So the minister is in danger, and the ground zero is very simple. BJP wins this constituency if Ramesh is replaced. If you are sticking to your minister, you are losing the constituency.
See, ultimately fragmentation may be showing the result, but what I see, he has not been so bad that it can go to 44%.
Then I go to Prashant.
रमेश तवडकर जर रिप्लेस करपाचो जाल्यार कोण कॅन्डिडेट बीजेपी कडेन आसा आतां जे इंडिव्हिज्युअल रेटिंग सांगले नविलान तातूंत खंय आसा कॅन्डिडेट इज देर अ कॅन्डिडेट बीजेपी डज नॉट हॅव अ कॅन्डिडेट अदर दॅन रमेश तवडकर सो फायट विथ रमेश तवडकर आणि लूज का बाकीच्यांक चान्स दी का कितें
Next is Kortalim. This is another constituency where sitting MLA, the approval rating is again below 50%, and the ground zero is again BJP can win this only if you replace your sitting minister Alina Saldana.
So key to this constituency lies in fragmenting the opposition.
If BJP has to win that. Okay. It is 50-50 for Pandurang Madkekar right now. Probably this explains his state of mind, state of political career and state of political path. And the ground reality we are saying that BJP can win with Madkekar because of a no candidate kind of a scenario there.
4% Congress in that constituency. सो मडकयकर जो जिखतालो तो काँग्रेसीचो कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून जिखनाशिल्लो ही रियलिटी काय कितें जाल्यार काँग्रेसीन खरीच काळजी करपाची गोष्ट ती बाकी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी कितें परिस्थिती आसा कारण इट इज ऑलवेज सेड दॅट वेन काँग्रेस गेट्स मेजॉरिटी और नियर मेजॉरिटी इट इज नॉट काँग्रेस हू विन्स इट इज इंडिव्हिज्युअल लिडर्स हू विन दे मॅनेज देअर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज अँड अल्टिमेटली काँग्रेस इज एबल टू फॉर्म गव्हर्मेंट तातूंचो हो एक कॅन्डिडेट काय दिसता
Kunkolim, I think this is very this I think at least Yatish you should agree.
The preference is Cleofasio 3%, Elvis Gomes 21%, Joaquim Alemão 16%, Rajan Naik 22%. In terms of party, AAP 8%, BJP 11%, Congress 18% and Goa Forward 3%.
In case Congress is not united, is Aam Aadmi Party in this constituency?
AAP, whoever wants to win there, whether AAP decides let us try and win or Joachim says, they have to do something to split this fellow's votes. These are not getting split. You can fragment and put one candidate, take out 1,000 votes, 1,500 votes, then that's a very open constituency.
Constituency.
You are saying you are confident.
Very confident.
Okay, we'll meet again.
We will. Congress will come here thumpingly.
Okay, Kurchare. And Nilesh's approval is 50% and BJP's approval is very strong. It is in addition to this. Our ground zero is also very clear.
Yes,
that
very
there is
clear.
no competition to Nilesh Kabral. And yes, next is Kurtori. And Alex Reginald is having some trouble here. The some trouble is 46%. That's why the ground zero is very clear. No, Derek, the ground zero is very
sitting
clear.
MLA.
Reginald needs Congress here more than Congress needs Reginald.
Alex Reginald plus Congress is ahead, but just.
As far as the party this is concerned, I am telling you, this is a Congress constituency. Congress will win this constituency.
Okay.
And Reginald is the MLA of the Congress party.
Okay.
Extensive door-to-door आमचे जाला. We have covered almost around 80, over 80% this constituency.
Movin is surviving just 54%.
That shows why he is coming. I know. Whatever it is a clear-cut seat for BJP. And with Movin's personal votes, there is nothing else left there. Now
But there is interesting statistics with regards to MGP and Nanoskar. What is the total percentage of MGP plus Nanoskar?
MGP is 9% and Nanoskar is 8%.
Yeah, so it's 17%. 17% is a quite decent figure. तुम्ही किती कष्ट करून पळयता आजकडे?
Definitely we are making inroad in this constituency. That is what he says also, that we have done a lot of public work there, keeping him aside. So there is something. MGP is a force there. You can't say delay because.
And you will contest it come what may.
Yes, definitely.
Yatish,
Congress will win the constituency. I don't want to say anything beyond that.
You're only sticking to will win the
Because I don't want to speak something. Whatever has happened and has to happen will happen. And Congress will come back in this constituency.
Okay. And 58% rating for Vijay Sardesai. And Vijay's performance is severe because BJP also has a sizable base in this constituency. But Vijay's performance is severe when it comes to this 50.
So I don't find there is any problem in this constituency for
Quickly,
Vijay.
Nilesh.
Goa forward is so strong. Why are they going again asking alliance, Congress मागणं? अरे वसा बरे गोवा फॉर्ड पुढे
आता तुमका काल एमजीपी तुम्ही काढले आता त्यांच्या फाटल्यान किती लागला तुम्ही या म्हणून तुझ्या भाई
Okay, Nilesh. The best thing is Narayan Sawant is having a hearty laugh between both of you. So that is the best thing I can
because
say.
Prashant is talking that way.
Okay.
If he is so sure that
Quickly,
he's coming, why they are scratching the back of the Congress?
Yeah.
जे इंडियन सिटीजन आसा जांचे कडेन इंडियन पासपोर्ट आसा तांकांच वोटिंग करूंक मेळटलें वेंचणूक आयोगान स्पश्ट केला. इलेक्शनाच्या तयारीचो रिव्ह्यू घेतले उपरांत वेंचणूक आयुक्त पणजे मिडिया कडेन उलयले. 11,04,431 वोटर्स जाल्यात. इलेक्शना कडेन कॅन्डिडेट सामान वाडटात म्हूण ट्रेडरांच्या बिलिंगाचेर नजर आसतली. सुत्रां सांगतात इलेक्शन फुडले 7 ते 8 दिसांत जाहीर जावं येता. फेब्रुवारीच्या 3ऱ्या सप्तकांत शक्यताय.
There are many observations and suggestions given by political parties. Suggestion of all political parties was to hold elections in a free and fair manner, and the commission should ensure level playing field. In the state, examinations are to be held in March. There is a carnival in February, and therefore they have suggested that commission should take these inputs into account when finalizing the schedule of the election commission, and also suggested that the polling day should preferably be a working day so that more and more people are available for voting. They have also raised the issue that only Indian passport holders, Indian citizens and passport holders should be allowed to be registered in the electoral roll. They have also raised the complaint about an important scheme of the government called ODP, Outlying Development Plans. And they have complained to the commission that this scheme is being cleared without following statutory processes, consultation of stakeholders, and they have requested that on the eve of election this plan should not be finalized. And commission has also assured all political parties that the commission will ensure under all conditions that the election is free and fair. 46,700 new voters have been added, and 15,200 applications have been received for deletion of names from the voter list. The date for summary revision has been extended by the commission up to 24th December. The total number of voters as on today in the state is 11,07,431 first time voters. Out of 39,000 total first time voters, more than 30,000 are on our roll. State election machinery has done is the first time enrollment of a tribal people called Wanar Mare. Some 40 persons have been registered and they will be able to cast their vote for the first time. We have asked Director General of Police to prepare police station wise data of non-bailable warrants, arms licenses, list of antisocial elements, past election related offences, and monitor them on day-to-day basis. Therefore, the commission has directed that all polling stations will be covered by webcasting process and CCTV. This time a system has been devised where every citizen will have an opportunity to upload his or her complaint, and that complaint will be registered, will be tracked, and the disposal will be done in a time bound manner. The name of this IT platform will be Samadhan, redressal. The most important aspect for Goa elections will be prevention of abuse of money and prevention of abuse of liquor by political parties, candidates, their workers, to influence our voters. Multidisciplinary task force will be working at the district level, state level and constituency level. In Goa, large number of merchandise like pressure cookers and other commodities like bikes, like motorcycles, like bicycles will also be distributed, and therefore commercial tax department and income tax department is also being roped in, and there would be meetings with the traders associations that in case any person is making bulk orders for these commodities during election period, there would be surveillance and they would be subjected to questioning also. The complaints with regard to ODP as well as with regard to casinos has been highlighted by political parties. They have given us written representations. We have also mentioned to you that we held meeting with the Chief Secretary and we have conveyed our concern, in fact serious concern about the likely misuse of casinos and likely undue haste in finalizing the scheme without clearing the statutory provisions. Chief Secretary has taken note of it.
सुत्रां सांगतात ते प्रमाण फुडल्या 7-8 दिसांत 20 ते 22 डिसेंबर मेरेन केन्नाय वेंचणूक आयोग इलेक्शनाची घोशणा करपाक शकता आनी गोंयांत इलेक्शन फेब्रुवारीच्या 3ऱ्या सप्तकांत सादारण 19 ते 25 डिसेंबर मदीं जावं येता म्हूण गोंयचे इलेक्शन आनी सरकारी यंत्रणेक इलेक्शन कमिशनान संकेत दिल्यात. इतले मजगतीं वेंचणूक आयोगान इलेक्शन डेट बेगीन जाहीर केली जाल्यार फेब्रुवारीत जावपी 12वीच्या प्रॅक्टिकल एग्जामीत बदल करपाक मेळटलो म्हूण हायर सेकंडरी बोर्डाच्या सेक्रेटरीन मागलां.
10th standard exam, board exam starts from 1st April and 12th starts from 1st March. So that will not hamper. Plus in February only practical exams will be there of 12th. So for that we have asked Election Commission to give the dates so that we can finalize our practical timetable. Then actually it is timetable is ready, but depending upon the date of the election, then we will adjust.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आनी सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओंकार फळारी. घेऊया एक ब्रेक.